Wow, look at that shot. Bear Lake in Utah and Idaho. It's like they call it the Caribbean of the Rockies.
Oh, hello! Welcome!
Took a, what was it, 2.5 hour drive?
4-hour drive.
It took 4 hours. But look at that water, man. That is gorgeous. We're pulling into the town, Garden City. We're going to take a right on 30 to go around the lake to our campsite. Just a cute little town. If you're ever in Utah, Idaho, I would definitely check this out. Like I said, they call it the Caribbean of the Rockies, and it's a gorgeous lake. You can do all kinds of swimming and paddleboarding and boating, jet skiing.
Yeah! You're doing so good!
All right, guys, our first morning at Bear Lake. Just wanted to hop on real quick. We've got some cinnamon toast going. Kind of a mess. We had friends stay last night with us. It's beautiful outside. If you can, well, can focus in to see that beautiful blue lake. We've got a nice fire going. And super stoked to be at Bear Lake. So I'm kind of tired because we had a rough night. Like I said, we had friends stay in the camper with us. With the baby, it was a lot, but we had a lot of fun. And we're gonna check out the lake more today and swim and play. So we'll do some filming down at the lake and in the RV park so we can share that with y'all.
So do you get like with this? Do you get a lot of people like that also have like other rigs and they can't do and then it's awesome and you guys can make sure they do rigs and stuff? Does that happen a lot? Like
I haven't had anyone like photo.
yeah, like say they have another, rig or something.
But they'll
like,
I have a lot of people. Good morning.
Is this a video?
Say hi.
For YouTube.
That's Megatron. Our friends from New York staying for a night with us in the Boss and Freebird.
Here in Bear Lake?
Yep, they went to Jackson and went fly fishing and did all kinds of fun stuff.
Yeah, so that's what we use for YouTube.
And then she
This is an awesome RV site. We'll link it in the video. I think we're in Bear Lake State Park on the east side of the lake in Idaho. There's a bunch of pretty touristy on the west side of the Bear Lake. It's very remote and less crowded on the east side, which is super nice if you're camping and stuff. If you don't want a lot of crowds. And this park actually, this east side tends to be a little more rocky, but this state park is a gorgeous RV park. They have like beautiful sand, and it's not rocky, and it's all sandy in the water. So this is like an A+ RV park.
Welcome to Bear Lake.
We're hooked up to electricity and water. They don't have like a sewer drainage, so we would have to go dump if we get full. But I love it because it's like not super crowded. Like the RV spots are kind of spaced out a little bit, and it's not super crowded right now. she played in that little pond all day yesterday, and it's nice and shallow. The lake is super shallow too. So the cool thing about Bear Lake, if you guys want to check it out, is that there's so many beachy areas that are super shallow for you know, I don't know, 30, 40, 50 feet. I don't know how far out, but like for the kiddos to play and to walk out, and it's like ankle deep for quite a while. It doesn't drop off, and that's nice if you have kiddos. Isn't that pretty? Sun's coming up over the mountain. Like I said, we're on the east side of the park, and then it sets over here. We have a nice sunset on the west side, looking out from the RV park. Here's our campsite. Got site number 21.
I have one of those gas cars, but they make battery power too. Oh, they do? Yeah. Oh, definitely more money, but you'll get a lot longer life. Hey.
There's Adam. Adam Bomb. Okay, so Megan and Adam, we need them to tell us their favorite thing about the Host 2020, what is it, 2022 Host Mammoth Truck Camper.
Hey, come here. Just one thing?
Just one, what's your favorite thing
man.
about it?
I don't know if I could just pick one thing. I mean, the fact that it's got a full TV in there, it's got a refrigerator in there, it's got air conditioning.
I like the outdoor shower myself.
Outdoor shower.
That was pretty slick.
You guys used that yesterday to wash up the sand.
Yeah, that was pretty slick.
slick.
Off all the sand off of your feet.
I mean, I'm a fan of the fireplace. You can't go wrong with a fireplace. I mean, that's a sweet feature for a camper truck. Love it.
We're glad you guys stayed.
Oh yeah.
Another
In a
great
little bit, right, when it get warms up.
camp with the Freebird.
So we're packing up from Bear Lake. Just making some PBJs to go for the road. The Freebird did us outstanding this trip. Here's some views. The lake, this campsite, Bear Lake State Park. We'll tag it. Awesome. We're gonna come back. All the campsites pretty spaced out, like from side to side. The campsites are super, the RV sites are super big, so you're not like stacked one up on top of each other. And then the sites behind you, like you have a lot of room. They're way behind. So it is just super peaceful, and I guess for RV parks where everything's normally so close together, I feel like this is really spacious. And then you've got like the beautiful views of the lake. So you guys come check it out. We've got lake view on this side. Show that lake view one more time. We're ready to roll. We made some more cinnamon toast for breakfast and had fruit and cereal and some other yummies. And yeah, we still got some food left from the weekend. This fridge in the Host Mammoth is amazing. And all this storage space. We have all of our more food. The Host just has like ample storage. We are loving it. So we're ready to roll. We'll see you on the road.
Freebird, we really just crushed it. Our most successful trip, like literally it takes us 10 minutes to put camp up, 10 minutes to break it down. I mean, tell everyone how well we slept as well.
Baby, did you sleep good last night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's from a 2-year-old.
She slept really well. Got lots of seagulls. Okay, we're going a different way home. We are going from Idaho to Wyoming down to Utah. On the way here, we went Utah through just up to Idaho. So we went on the backside home. And that's super pretty. We chose this way on the way home because it doesn't look as, the road didn't look as like twisty-turny. But it's really pretty. The road's a lot straighter. So if you're carrying a big truck camper or something, towing anything, this seems like an easier path.
Open range.
More open range. Oh wow. There are like cows or horses up there on the hill. It's cool. Wow, those cows are like on a steep hill.